Welcome back to Your RV Broker in Sanger, Texas. www.yourrvbroker.com, and today I present to you the 2014 Forest River Sunseeker 3050S. Forest River Sunseeker is one of the best-selling Class C motorhomes on the road today, and the 3050S is one of the most well thought out floor plans available. This particular motorhome is on a Ford E450 chassis. It's got a 6.8 liter V10 with less than 13,000 miles. It's been upgraded with auto leveling jacks, ride right helper springs, and this floor plan has the giant super slide on the driver's side. Provides you with just about the most available square footage on the road today in a Class C motorhome. Tons of storage, tons of sleeping capacity for you and the whole family. And this one is just in amazing condition. It's got a set of Michelin tires on it dating back to October of 2017. We've got the 4,000 watt quiet gas Onan generator, still has the tags on it. And again, this motorhome is going to have a shocking amount of storage. Shocking in a good way. Just tons of storage. You'll have a hard time using all of it, I think. This particular compartment houses the wastebasket for the kitchen. That way, whenever you go to take your trash out, you don't have to carry it all the way through the motorhome. You just come right outside and grab it. Really well thought out. It's a really nice feature. Again, even more storage. You just spray this out whenever it needs to be cleaned. It drains on its own. You just basically spray it out and walk away. Maintenance doesn't get any easier than that. Decals are all in just amazing condition. Here's our utility center. You've got your black and gray tank flush. 30 amp service. Right here is where we air up the airbags for the chassis. You just hook your air compressor right up to it. That's all you got to do. We've got the outside shower. That way you can hose off the grandkids or the dogs, keeping the mud and the dirt outside where it belongs. We've got the pass-through storage compartment in the rear. Again, it passes all the way through. Plenty of room for your oversized cargo. Drains in the bottom. You just spray it out. This motorhome does have a rear view camera. We've got the oversized door on the opposing side of the pass-through storage compartment in the rear. That way you can easily get any sort of picnic furniture, lawn chairs, that sort of thing. Even more storage. That's where we air up the airbag on the passenger side. We've got the giant powered awning. You just deploy it with the push of a button and then retract it just as easily. Again, this motorhome is just in phenomenally good condition. No need for a step in this motorhome. The entryway is nice and low. Couldn't be any easier to get in and out of. Moving inside, you'll notice that the interior is in just as good a condition as the exterior. Notice there's no sort of leaks or discoloration in the ceiling. We do have in-dash navigation. Shares a monitor with your rear view camera. We've got the giant flat screen TV. It is on a swivel. That's a 12-volt television as well. That way you don't have to have 110 to operate it. Giant sleeping space in the front cab. Plenty of room for 2 full-grown adults. We've got some storage up here, drink coasters, that sort of thing. We've got a jackknife couch with seat belts. Dinette, which also converts to a sleeping space. We've got storage underneath the dinette. These drawers are huge. Come all the way out. Almost overlooked the control panel for your auto leveling jacks. That's the Bigfoot hydraulic leveling system by Quadra Manufacturing. We've got a really nice kitchen space. Tons of room on the counter. We've got the little countertop extension for those meals which require a bit more meal prep. This compartment right over here is where that wastebasket goes that we looked at earlier. You just throw your trash away right down in there. When it gets full, you just grab it from the outside. That's your microwave, convection, 3-burner stove. I wouldn't be surprised if this had never been used. And my favorite part about this motorhome is the big 4-door fridge option. Don't have to tell you RV veterans how nice this is. We've got an enormous amount of sleeping capacity in this motorhome, and plenty of room to keep all the food for those grandkids too. Big 4-door Dometic fridge. Moving into the rear, we've got the pass-through bathroom, which is really nice. That way somebody can take a shower or use the bathroom while somebody else brushes their teeth or gets ready. Got a really nice skylight in here. Natural light's a great thing. Again, no signs of any sort of water damage or discoloration. Really big shower. Plenty of room for the commode. And adjacent, we've got a really nice sink and bathroom area. Giant medicine cabinet. We've got the walk-around queen bed in the back. It's a pillow top mattress. We've got end table-like spaces on the side of the bed for all of your sleep machines. Giant wardrobe, double wardrobe. Plenty of room on both sides. They're very deep. That way your clothes can hang naturally and not awkwardly. We've got a space to mount a television. Just very deep wardrobe space. Another really cool thing about this motorhome is it has 2 skylights, both equipped with a day and a nighttime shade. That way, if you're a big fan of natural light like me, you've got plenty of availability, which is great because then you don't have to run your lights in here. It really kind of frees up your battery. Fantastic fan up front, right over the cab. And folks, that is the Forest River Sunseeker 3050S. It's got less than 13,000 miles on it. It's got ride right helper springs, hydraulic leveling jacks, sleeping space for 8, giant 4-door fridge, and that's only at your RV broker in Sanger, Texas. 2014 Forest River Sunseeker 3050S at www.yourrvbroker.com. Thanks again.